How's it going, guys? It is Sunday, February the 11th. I'm just in the office doing some paperwork, but I said it is a good chance to do a bit of filming on the workshop as well, since the garage is closed, being a Sunday. And what I am going to do is I'm just going to give you a little mini tour of our actual workshop and how it's set up and why it's set up that way, and also some of the future plans I have for our workshop space and what I want to change and what I want to implement. With that said, let's get into it. I'll start with the front door. This is the door that is always open. This is the main door, which goes into our downstairs office. We have a little promotional poster there that we change if need be, and also have a sign that I pop outside. And then if you face in, this is our workshop space. So on the left hand side, as you come in, you have your tire machine balancer, which if you have looked at my other videos, you would see this part of it a bit already. I have tire storage there, and then there's some oils and lubes that we sell just over here, and then I have my barrels of oil, so semi-synthetic, fully synthetic, and then any other oils we need. I order them in on the day, so that's the stuff that we stock. And some more tire stock down there, and then I have my four-wheel alignment on the wall up there. Regarding the tire rack, future plans I have for that is, so if you just see here, I'm going to follow that all the way along and just up to there, and just have a top rack. Storage and space in general for me and how our workshop is run needs to be extremely tidy. We are extremely particular in this workshop, so there is definitely some pet peeves when it comes to tools and layouts and keeping things clean. I find personally myself, I know people can work in them environments, but I can't. I need to know where all my tools are laid out. I need to know after a job is finished if I've left any tools after me. So everything has a place and everything has an order. So after every job we tend to clean up, sweep the floors and get ready for the next one. If you look down on the floor here, this is a future-proof kind of place. We have left a space for scissors lift, so an in-floor scissors lift. That's what I hope to put down there. There's no immediate plans for that at the minute, but that is something that would be in the future. So if you come in here, right, just come in the door, 2 posters back there, 4 posters here. We just have a bay here, which is mostly for the long jobs. So if you have a job that you expect to take a long time, we'll pull it into that side. It doesn't block any door space, and it is easily accessible at the same time in regards to tools. So that would leave for quick jobs like tires, brakes, shocks, anything, servicing. We could have it could be a full rise or a mid-rise one, I'm not sure, but a full rise one would work. There is enough space for passenger vehicles to go up. If it was a commercial, there wouldn't be with the pitch of the roof, but which goes up there. But that is that. The time is 10:10 on a Sunday. I definitely should be gone home. So if you come over here, you can see that is the 2 poster. Back behind, I have a bench with tools, basically clips, electrical stuff, and all that we keep in stock. So bulbs, fuses, wiring, all that stuff. And then here, this 4 poster isn't your regular 4 poster. It's a car bench 4 poster, and what that means is it's meant for body work. And you can put a dozer on the front, a jig which can pull. You can also get clamps to set up the vehicle. If it got a heavy damage, you can get brackets and all that which attach on and set it exactly to what it was from factory. Also, if you look in the middle here, these plates there's sections out of it, but then these plates can come off on either side, and the vehicle can be clamped down to this, and it can be pulled from any direction you want, basically. The biggest problem with this lift is it's too narrow. So if you have a wide wheelbase and a long wheelbase commercial, you're going to run into difficulty. So a Renault Master or a Transit long wheelbase or any of them is going to be impossible to fit on this one because it's just not wide enough or long enough. So we are going to change that one out, and it'll be a lot better. Also, it will have the jacking arms in this section. So if you come along here, there will be jacking arms here, which will be able to raise the car, and you can keep the lift whatever position you want. At the minute we don't have that. I have to use axle stands. So really we have a 3-bay layout as you come in, with space for a 4th vehicle here and a 5th vehicle here. At times there can be 5 cars in the one time here. And then over this side we have our spray booth. So that side, there's another door entrance into that, and that can be done if you want to do any body work, or if there's no body work going on and we have a job that doesn't require a lift, I can also pull it in over that side as well, because there's enough space for that easily. Other stuff that's over that side is my wheel alignment stands, the press, the welder, and other general bits like that. And that is pretty much it. We have quite a big space here, a nice high roof. We have air lines coming from that side. We have air lines over this side, over here. At the back we have we have 2 compressors basically. We have an external compressor because we have another storage room out the back, that's our main one, and then we have this other one here that we have inside. It's a backup one basically. We upgraded to a new Ingersoll Rand larger capacity compressor, and then we just kept that other one. So that can be used as well. So the immediate plans I have is to kind of tweak the layout a bit. I plan on taking this car bench one down and putting a long wheelbase 4-poster on it. So it'll be probably a wheel alignment 4-poster that I can just drive up and do wheel alignments on. Also a higher ton capacity, so probably a 4, maybe a 5 ton, I'm not sure, in that space. So that's the first plan. And if you look back here, as I was saying, I'm very particular. See under here? That drives me crazy. See all that? It should be like this. That's nice and tidy. It has doors in it, so I'm going to do something with that. This is just a storage table. I have a toolbox on top of it, but we'll say we're doing engine swaps or something like that. That table is slid in under so the engine can drop down, and I bring it over here to this 2-poster to do that. But that also drives me crazy because there's a load of junk in under here. Garages collect junk if you allow them to, and it's not junk, it's oil pans and stuff that has to be in here, but at the same time it looks nasty, and I would prefer if it wasn't seen. Probably going to block them off, put doors on them, maybe put a cover on this one, and yeah, that will look much better, tidier. And what else? I'm going to paint up here, tidy all that area here. So thanks for watching, guys. As you can see, I have my big puffy jacket on. It is extremely cold in the workshop at the minute, being February in Ireland. So I'm about to get my ass out of here and get some sleep. But before I go, I want to say thank you to every single one that has viewed one of my videos. I crossed over the 500,000 views this weekend, and it's kind of a little bit mind-blowing to think that 500,000 channel views already, but it's great. I have over 1,000 subscribers, and I am extremely happy with how the channel is progressing. I hope you enjoyed this very, very brief mini vlog style to show you the layout of the workshop.
I have wanted to do these for a long time, but this is the first opportunity I felt I had with pretty much a clear workshop and nobody around to just kind of just show it off a little bit. With that said, any updates I have, if there's any changes in here or tools or anything like that, I will be sure to update you on any of those. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have enjoyed some of my other videos. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.